Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your NordicTrack treadmill. So what you want to do, from the back of the product where you're going to find the logo, above it there is going to be this small hole. Now what you want to do is this. You want to take a paper clip. You want to take like let's say something small, and you want to insert it into the hole, but first you want your treadmill to be turned off. So unplug the treadmill, then take the paper clip, insert it right there into the hole, and you want to just press and hold it there. Then what you want to do is super simple. You want to turn it back on while you're pressing and holding inserting the paper clip. And then when you're gonna like the reset procedure, you're still holding it there. The reset procedure is going to go, it will start, and then you're gonna like leave it. That's it. Super simple. So first you're gonna unplug the device. Then you're gonna find the reset from the back where you're gonna have the logo. It's going to be above the logo. You're gonna insert the pinhole there, while the paper clip. While you're inserting it and holding it, you want to put it back to the outlet, turn it back on, and then the reset procedure is going to start if you're still holding it. And when you see on the screen it's like turning on, the reset procedure is going to start. Then you just take it out. That's it. So have a great day and goodbye.